Hey everyone, it's me, Megs, and I am here to talk about something that we need to talk about, okay, when it comes to hair care recovery, because I have been on a recovery journey for about a year now, because I learned in 2022, November, when I got my yearly physical done, that I was severely iron deficient, okay, and my hair was severely damaged. It was a lot going on, y'all, and I don't think I've ever seen my hair that damaged in current times since like 2008, okay? Yeah, so let me get into this video and share with you guys what I have been using to help me bounce my hair back, and the results are in, okay? They're in. They're showing. It's looking real good over here. So yes, you heard that right. I have been recovering my hair in private for about a year now. That's why a lot of the hair videos had slowed down, because girl, I just had to figure out like what is going on. Like I had to figure out so much with myself and my body and life. I was just like, whoa, slow it down, you know. So I took that time out to do me and figure out, you know, what's working, what isn't working. So I'm here to share with you something that has been working for me to recover my hair during this time, and it has been the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I am not new to this. I'm very true to it, and it has always help me bounce my hair back from damage, okay? So with me discovering that I was iron deficient in November 2022 and really kicking into full gear with a recovery journey in 2023, I knew I needed to take that year to really get focused and be strict on my routine. And I noticed when I was evaluating my current routine at the time last year when my hair was severely damaged, and I evaluated my routine from when my hair was at its peak health, it was this here that I was using. So I was like, okay, let's go back to what works. And I'm so thankful that I have those older videos here on my YouTube channel that I can reference back to when it comes to products that helped my hair maintain and achieve beautiful growth and fullness too, because that's what I'm looking to have with this current journey. So with that being said, I'm not new to this. I'm very true to it, and the Aphogee line has always delivered for me, even when I was natural. It just always really helped recover my hair, because this is a 2-minute reconstructor, and I know some people can be a bit protein sensitive, but when I was reviewing my routine, I realized I did not have enough protein within my regimen. And being that I am chemically treated, I have relaxed hair, I need all the extra treatments and protein and moisture balance that I need. And this doesn't bother me with using it once a week, okay? So the way I use this on shampoo wash days right before I deep condition. So I'm normally doing kind of like a rinse in the shower and letting it sit for about 5 minutes within the shower, and then rinse it out, and then follow up with my moisturizing deep conditioner. So the description of this Aphogee, it is kind of like a protein based line, but I always viewed reconstructors a little bit differently than just full on straight up protein, because this does act a little different for me, at least, because I am aware a lot of products react differently for, you know, different people and what they need. So this one says, add strength and softness in one step, quick and effective against heat and chemical damage. And I had all of that. Not so much heat damage, but it was definitely, my hair was just damaged. It was bad, y'all. Like, I was like, whoa, I was a little nervous. I was like, what is really going on here? But with time and patience, you can overcome all of that with some good old Aphogee, and that's what I did. So it is pH optimized, and it contains an exclusive, you know what, I'm gonna butcher this, propylene complex. You know what I mean. It will be in the description for you to check out. So it says Aphogee products are pH optimized for maximum results and contain our exclusive propylene complex, utilizing precise levels of protein for strength, emollients for shine, and humectants for softness, for processed or natural hair. And when I tell you, when I use this in the shower, right after I shampoo, before I deep condition, my hair instantly, when I put it on and leave it on for about 5 minutes in the shower, it instantly feels stronger but softer at the same time. Like even when my hair air dries after deep conditioning, with adding this extra step in the shower, the texture of my hair is actually starting to feel softer and smoother. That's how I know my hair is on the road to recovery, is how my hair air dries and how it blow dries. The texture, does it feel soft? Does it move? Girl, my hair was so stiff. I don't know what happened, girl, but my routine was not it, and I needed to add this back into there, and now I have a little swing, girl. Like, it's starting to look a little familiar, starting to look right, you know. So I really do enjoy this, and it says on the back of this, it says this blend with creatine, amino acids, botanical oils, and vitamins restore elasticity, softness to dry, brittle hair in minutes. It penetrates and repairs damage caused by chemical services, styling, and heat. And let me tell you, that is the truth. It's the truth. It really does that. And I'm not just saying that just to say this. I use this probably, I first started using this probably like 2013, I think. And I was very, very, very consistent with using this. And I noticed with my consistent use of using this probably for the past 6 months, I've noticed a great, great difference. This is also good for people who have bleached, permed, or relaxed hair. It makes it feel healthy again. That's what the description says on the back of this bottle. It says recommended for weekly use until hair feels and appears healthy again. And that is exactly how I've been using this, once a week for 5 minutes. Now, going back to the old school hair forums, a lot of the ladies on there were using this reconstructor to also deep condition with, and to use it as a pre-poo. I have used this product in those ways in the past, and I may think about starting to incorporate those those treatments in that kind of way with this product again. But it just really works really well. It makes my hair feel instantly soft, and it provides a really nice slip. And I do remember back in the day when I did deep condition and pre-poo with this one time, it gave me the same results. Very, very soft, and it smells very good too. So the directions here, it says gently shampoo hair with Aphogee shampoo, rinse thoroughly and towel dry as usual, squeeze 1/2 ounce into palm using fingertips, work evenly through hair onto scalp for maximum penetration. You can cover with a warm towel or plastic cap for 2 minutes. And it says note, for extreme cases, leave on for 5 minutes. For severe breakage problems, we recommend an Aphogee 2-step protein treatment service. So that is very different from the reconstructor, because I know I posted my my Aphogee update video on my Instagram, and a lot of people were like, oh, this did this to my hair and this did that to my hair, and they may have been confusing the reconstructor with the 2-step protein treatment. Now that's a whole different beast. Okay, I don't really mess with the 2-step protein treatment because it's a little harsh for my hair. So the reconstructor just really gets the job done as far as balancing and maintaining that protein and moisture balance. Even though to me, on my hair, this doesn't give a heavy protein feel to my hair. It doesn't make my hair feel crunchy. It doesn't make it feel dry or anything. It just feels really nice and moisturized, but also strong at the same time. So yeah, y'all, I use it exactly how it is you know, directed here on the product bottle. And I am almost out of this, and I need to go ahead and get me some more of this. So I am just here to share with y'all. I feel like the product that really got me through these past 6-7 months with using it consistently once a week on shampoo wash days, on those days that I will be doing a moisturizing deep conditioner, using this right before, let it sit for 5 minutes and then rinse out in the shower, did me wonders. Like I said before, I may explore covering my hair with a plastic cap with this and maybe pre-pooing with this again in the near future. But so far, I'm keeping my regimen as far as what's been working for me for the past 6 months, and my hair is really thanking me for it, y'all. My hair hasn't been this long in a long time because my hair was so damaged it wouldn't grow past like shoulder length. And a lot of you were commenting like, what's going on. Your hair, you're not retaining any length, because I also was cutting off so much hair because it just didn't look good. It didn't look full. And I got a trim back in, I think it was July, when I did my last retouch of my relaxer. So I am just very satisfied with how my hair is looking and feeling. My hair is just blow dried right now, and this is actually all the first time that I've actually worn my hair down in a really long time, because I've just really been strict protective styling and being very strict with using my Aphogee 2-minute Keratin Reconstructor. Now, really quick before I go, I know somebody's going to ask me, now how do you compare that to Olaplex number 3? I feel like I don't. I feel like they kind of are in the same family, but for me, the reason why I said I don't compare the two, because I use these in 2 totally different ways, if that makes sense. Even though Olaplex is kind of like a reconstructor line, and it's a treatment line, and it does repair and strengthen, but I just feel like the Olaplex is a little different in comparison to the Aphogee. And let me know if you want a more in-depth video of a comparison of these two and how I use that. I will be happy to do that, because these have been a consistent staple within my hair care journey, especially now that I'm recovering my hair. These really work, but I will say this Aphogee has been the truth and has always been the truth and will forever be the truth. And I will be purchasing more. The price point is pretty nice too. I think this is like at the beauty supply store. I don't think this is any more than $5.99 versus the Olaplex can be a bit pricey. I think this can, is this like $20? Not sure. Let me know in the comments how much this is. But yeah, I just really wanted to get on here and share with you guys how well this works. This worked really well for recovering my hair years ago, and now it's doing very well for my hair right now, and also worked really well when I was natural to help me maintain those curls, and especially after those silk presses, because you know we are in silk press season, so you're gonna need something to maintain. You know, you might want to try some Aphogee. Okay, I love this one, the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. So yes, y'all, I just wanted to get on here and share. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, as I am very happy to answer any questions that you may have now that I'm back to making hair care videos and feeling good about my hair. I'm super excited to share with you guys all the things that I've been doing. So the name of this product will be down in the description for you to check out. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.